So I'm going to do this little video just to give you an overview of what Lexi's going to go over with you today. Bottom line is you've kind of created an HTML page already, and now it's time to add a little CSS or cascading style sheets to that. For some of you, I know there's about three or four of you in the class that this may be a review, and that's fine. This is sort of the last coding part that we're going to be doing in the class. And for those of you who are new to this next assignment should be very simple and straightforward. So Lexi will go over some of the things on your first assignment that was due today. If you have questions about how to insert an image, that's important to ask her. She's going to explain that to you if you need to understand that. And the other thing that I hope became clear, I put it on the sheet for the assignment that's due today, is that whole thing when you're using TextEdit to code a page, you need to make sure that you're using the straight up and down quotes instead of the quotes that are slanted. So it's in big red letters on the assignment page for the HTML assignment that was due today. But if you have any questions about that, also be sure to ask Lexi about that. So she'll be going over a little bit about CSS for you, and then you will be doing your next assignment, which is adding CSS to the page you did for today. And she'll talk with you a little bit about the ways to determine background color and make some of those changes. And from there, you'll work on that assignment in class, finish that up, and then over spring break, I've asked you to start learning Illustrator, start doing the lynda.com tutorials. If you have any question about how to access the lynda.com tutorials, if you go to our class syllabus on the page where underneath, the textbooks and the equipment you need to buy, it gives the instructions about how to access the full lynda.com tutorials by basically going to the link and putting in your onion and your onion password, and that will get you to the full lynda.com tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I'll be available via email all during break, and I hope you have a wonderful spring break, and I will see you at the next part of the semester.